Hey Geo, my name is Lee Terbianic and I spoke with you this morning, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat the competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help grow your business, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this video when you're done. So let's jump right into it. For 3 major things that I want to talk about today is content, citations, and backlinks. Content is anything that you see on this home page of yours that is in writing, and even these pictures and what they're saved as and what's behind them, that's considered content. And Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a home page. You got to think Google is just a crawling website that can only read, so if you don't have enough information on your website, it's not going to know what you're offering or what you're about, therefore it can't rank you according to. So I did a quick search for plumber Baltimore, Maryland, and down here in this organic section, Len the Plumber and his website is coming up in first place. So I wanted to see what kind of content he has. Now as you scroll down, you can see he does have a little bit of content, but not much more than you. If you were to go out and get that 1,500 words of keyword-rich content, you would beat him in that aspect. And when I say keyword-rich, we'll get into the keywords shortly. But let's go back to this search, plumber Baltimore, Maryland. This top section is ads, and these companies are paying big money to be up here and can get very costly if they're not ran right. So I don't suggest running ads, and if you're ranking in these other 2 sections, you don't need to be paying all that money for the cost per click. So let's talk about this GMB section. Now, as you can see, Warrior Plumbing is in first place, and what ranks you in this section is a citation. Now, a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed across the web in directories like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. And I wanted to see how many citations he had to get this first place. So I have this tool I use called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder. I plugged his information in and he only has 37 citations. So the best part about this tool is I can go in here and it's going to show me all his citation sources laid out, and with the red dots that means they're all submittable for your business. So we can go grab all these citations for yours, and then I'd like to add 80 to 100 more for you and get your name out there more for more customers to be able to find you when they're looking for your service. So you won't only beat them, but you'll be gaining more clients as well. And getting in this top 3 is very important. So, but that's a map hack. Now this third thing I want to talk about is a backlink. Now a backlink is when one website links to another site via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen them before. There's little blue writing. You click on it, it takes you to another website. Well, that's a backlink, and Google considers them votes. The more backlinks you have, the more websites are linking to you. Therefore, Google sees that as you being trusted in their eyes. Because if other websites are willing to send their traffic to your website, that must mean that your website's legit. So I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and I plugged in your site, and this is going to show me a complete overview of your stats. Now this UR and DR number are very important. This UR is the overall page strength, and this DR is the strength of your backlink profile. So as you can see, don't really have a strong backlink profile, which is why you're not really ranking high at the moment. But look at, you have the only backlinks that really matter are these do follow links, and you have 3 of them. So, but you're ranking for 47 keywords and you're only getting 4 traffic at the moment. But this is what your numbers could look like. So as you can see, Len the Plumber, he's in first place right here. He has a UR and DR of 26 and 49. He has 37 websites giving him 500 backlinks, and he's got 14 powerful ones. But the best part about this is, just like the citations, we can go in and submit all these for your business. We know it's working for him and it'll work for you. So let's go back because I want to touch base on these keywords, show you what being in the first position looks like. So he's ranking for 125 keywords. Now this is going to show me the exact keyword, how many times it's being searched a month, and the KD, or how difficult it is to rank for. So Baltimore Plumber, 318. Now that means there's 300 people looking for a Baltimore plumber just off this one keyword each and every month. Plumbers Baltimore, 400 people. Plumber Baltimore, 150. Plumbing Baltimore, 200. Plumber Baltimore City, 80. Plumber Baltimore MD, 200. Baltimore MD Plumber, 40. Plumbers in Baltimore City, 150. That's tons of search volume in your area looking for plumbers monthly that you're missing out on. As you can see, he's in the first position for these keywords. Look at the traffic he's getting. Almost 100, 60, 50, 40, 40. I mean, and we know you could beat him out, so that all this traffic would be coming to you. So I don't know what that is worth to you, but that'd be worth it to me. So anyways, let's touch base on what we talked about. First thing was content. 1,500 words on your homepage so you could fit those special keywords that we just went over throughout your content. You could put one per every 100 words, so you could fit about 15 of those keywords just on your homepage alone. The second thing we talked about was citations, and that's your name, address, and phone number in directories across the web. I'd like to go get 80 to 100 for your business, get you ranking in this top 3, and beat out these guys by a landslide. Third thing we talked about was backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, just give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to speaking with you, Geo, and don't forget, any and all feedback after you watch this is greatly appreciated. Just drop me a line or two, let me know what you thought, and if you need extra help, reach out and we can schedule something. Thanks, man. Hope you have a great day.